Today we are talking about a defect like life management, and my name is Posina Sudarshini. And for more testing videos, please subscribe to our channel and do like. And means these days we are means in the interviews mostly they will ask main as part of testing, and as part of QA they will ask mainly about defect life management. Okay, and in the defect life management, right? So these are the stages we are having: new, open, rejected, deferred, fixed, retest, reopen, and closed. Okay, in the initial setup, right, means whenever we find a new defect or a new bug, that is the starting of the stage is called a new. So uh, starting stage is called new or initiated stage. Then after we developer start testing, analyze the defect and works on it. Okay. Then after, if it is appropriate, then he will continues to fix the defect. If it is not appropriate, he follows like these stages like a duplicate. If it is a duplicate defect, means the defect is already raised by some of the QA person, then it will be a duplicate one. And deferred means uh, mm, future few future requirement we found in new current stage, current sprint. And if we raise that defect, but that will be fixed in next release. Okay, means in the next release the defect is going to fix that, they will make it as a referred. If the defect is not a appropriate one, then they will reject the defect. And not a bug means suppose we uh, due to some requirements, if that bug is not appropriate or not a correct one, then they will say like it is a not a bug. Okay, and if it is a correct one, they are going to be fix that defect. Okay, in the fix stage, this is the definition: when the developer finish the task of fixing a defect, and then he will make it as fixed, or else we can say like a dev complete. Okay, or we can say like dev complete. And then after, the developer or lead will make, means high develops per side lead will make it as a ready for QA or a retest. At a ready for QA, all the bugs will come to QA side, and the QA will start retesting the defect based on the requirement. If it is appropriate and it is as per the requirement, then he will close the defect. And if it is a not appropriate one, then he again reopen the defect, and the same process repeat again. Like if after reopen, they will fix, and then after they will make it as ready for QA. And then after we can, if it is working fine, we can close that defect. Okay, and these are the exact definitions that we can follow. As part of rejected, what is a rejected one? If the is not considered as a genuine by the developer, then they will mark it as a rejected. And if the duplicate one means, if the developer finds the defect as same as any other defect, then they will make it as a duplicate one. Deferred means, if the developer feels that the defect is not a very important priority and it can get fixed in the next releases, then they will make it as a deferred one. And not a bug means, if the defect does not have an impact on the functionality, then they will make it as not a bug. Okay, this is all about the defect life management. Okay, This is the most frequent question I faced in all the interviews, so it is very important as part of testing.